To connect Klarna to Wix, start by creating a Klarna account if you do not already have one. This will provide you with the necessary credentials to integrate Klarna into your Wix store. Once you have a Klarna account, log into your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Wix app market. Search for Klarna and click on the Klarna Payments app to add it to your store. Next, click on the Add to Site button to install the app. You will then be prompted to connect your Klarna account to Wix. Enter your Klarna API credentials, including your API key and API secret, to authenticate the connection. These credentials can be found in your Klarna account dashboard under the API Keys section. After entering your API credentials, click on the Connect button to establish the connection between Klarna and Wix. You will then be redirected to the Klarna Payments app settings page in your Wix dashboard. Here, you can configure the payment methods you want to offer to your customers, such as Pay Now, Pay Later, or Slice It. To complete the setup, make sure to configure the payment gateway settings, including the payment terms and conditions. You can also customize the payment button and add a payment footer to your store. Finally, test the payment process to ensure that it is working correctly and that customers can successfully complete transactions using Klarna. By following these steps, you can easily connect Klarna to your Wix store and offer your customers a secure and convenient payment option. This integration will not only enhance the shopping experience but also increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment rates. With Klarna, you can provide your customers with flexible payment options, allowing them to pay for their purchases in a way that suits them best.